I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Lincoln Navigator versus the Jeep Wagoneer. We'll dive into their performance, interior luxury, and overall value. The Navigator boasts a strong twin-turbo V6, while the Wagoneer offers a powerful V8 or the new Hurricane twin-turbo engine. Both vehicles provide excellent horsepower and torque, ensuring a confident driving experience whether you're cruising highways or towing heavy loads. Let's explore which one best suits your lifestyle. Moving inside, both the Navigator and Wagoneer prioritize luxury and comfort. The Navigator offers a serene cabin with high-quality leather and advanced technology, including a large touchscreen display. The Wagoneer counters with a sophisticated interior, generous legroom, and an intuitive infotainment system across its 3 rows. Both vehicles ensure a premium experience for all occupants, making long journeys enjoyable and relaxing. You'll find ample cargo space in both for all your gear. When it comes to technology, both SUVs are packed with innovations. The Navigator provides a suite of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, alongside a premium audio system. The Wagoneer also offers extensive safety technologies and multiple digital displays for an immersive experience. Both vehicles support seamless smartphone integration and offer advanced navigation, keeping you connected and safe on every journey. They truly elevate the driving experience. Finally, let's consider value and ownership. The Navigator generally comes with a solid warranty and competitive service plans, offering peace of mind. The Wagoneer also provides a comprehensive warranty and various trim levels to fit different budgets and preferences. Both are significant investments, so consider your priorities carefully. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.